Quick update to my YouTube channel for videos. The past two videos are just bullcrap videos. I mean, I'm still not pretty happy with what's going on in those videos, from my computer not functioning right to Windows 10 going full retard and whatnot. But hopefully soon I will actually fully upload this video. Since someone was asking how I built the cuck truck, well, actually no one actually asked, but someone asked if they could buy the cuck truck body I made. I said no, because it's easy to build. I'm currently in the process of finishing up a relatively long ass video explaining as best as I can how to actually build the cuck truck body. Now, since I don't do tutorials that often, or if at all, this tutorial video is not going to be that good. But hopefully it's good enough to where you can understand how to actually build one of these bodies. Again, it's really simple to do. Granted, like I said, my ability to do tutorial videos is horrible, and currently I'm watching Jukin Media just implode on itself, like and other crap going on in the YouTube space. So when it comes to this thing, the next thing I gotta do is attach the LED lighting to it, and then go on and actually build some type of a structure to actually mount the body onto the car chassis I'm using. So hopefully in the next 5 days or so, granted this computer doesn't act up anymore, I should have this build video up, which is going to be 2.5 to 3 hours. Thank God I do not upload my videos and I do not put ads on them. So yeah, last I want to do is upload this 2.5 hour video and put ads on it, especially considering this video ain't worth anything. It's a piece of junk like all my videos. The fact that people watch my YouTube channel is just surprising, because most of the videos I upload is legitimate crap. That's not me being harsh to myself or anything. I'm just saying what it is. Most of my videos are not that good. They're garbage. And unfortunately, very rarely do I actually upload a video of me actually building something or something like that. It's usually me uploading something about me bitching on my computer or something else. So yeah, like I said, hopefully in the next day or two, not 2 days, but in the next few days, I should have this build video up and running on my YouTube channel.